Looking to transform your home into a peaceful, green oasis without the clutter? In this video, we'll reveal 10 stunning minimalist indoor garden ideas that blend simplicity with natural beauty. Whether you have a tiny corner or a spacious room, these designs will inspire you to bring calm and greenery into your living space. Stay with us. Your dream indoor garden is just a few minutes away. Step into a bright, minimalist living room where less truly is more. A single fiddle leaf fig stands proudly in the corner, its broad green leaves adding life to a soft gray sofa and white walls. Light wood floors and a large window invite the outdoors in, filling the space with warm, natural light. This is where simplicity meets beauty, a calming retreat that proves you only need one statement plant to transform a room into a sanctuary. Discover the magic of small spaces with this minimalist garden corner. A tall snake plant in a simple ceramic pot stands next to a cozy wood chair, while a tiny cactus perches on a floating shelf. Soft sunlight filters through linen curtains, creating a peaceful vibe. Proof that even the smallest nook can become a green oasis when designed with intention and simplicity. bring the outdoors inside with a stunning vertical garden wall. Against crisp white walls and light oak floors, lush greenery climbs upward in perfect symmetry. Scandinavian-inspired furniture keeps the space uncluttered and airy, while large glass windows flood the room with daylight. A perfect blend of modern minimalism and nature's untamed beauty. Enter a world of calm with this Zen-inspired minimalist garden. White pebbles spread gently across the floor, framing a delicate bonsai tree. A simple wooden bench invites quiet reflection, while soft lighting and shoji screens create a tranquil atmosphere. This is more than decor. It's a mindful retreat where peace and beauty coexist in perfect harmony. Fresh herbs meet minimalist style in this beautifully designed kitchen. Small pots of basil, rosemary, and mint line sleek white countertops and open wood shelves. Natural light pours in, highlighting the greenery while keeping the space clean and uncluttered. It's the perfect balance of form and function, making every meal a celebration of freshness. Watch your walls come to life with floating planters in a minimalist setting. Trailing pothos and ivy cascade down white walls, adding soft movement to a room filled with neutral tones and natural wood. Large windows bring in soft sunlight, creating a dreamy, elegant space where plants take center stage without overwhelming the design. Experience the striking contrast of raw concrete and lush greenery in this industrial modern minimalist space. A large monstera plant in a black metal planter softens the hard edges, while sleek furnishings and clean lines complete the look. It's a perfect example of how urban style and natural elements can live together in perfect balance. Transform any window into a thriving minimalist garden. A collection of succulents and cacti in white pots lines the sill, soaking up soft, diffused sunlight. A simple wooden bench below adds warmth without clutter, creating a peaceful space to relax and recharge. This small setup proves that minimalism and nature are a match made in heaven. Embrace the cozy elegance of Scandinavian minimalism with this serene indoor garden. A soft color palette of white and beige sets the stage for small indoor plants perched on a woodside table. Natural fabrics, a plush rug, and abundant sunlight complete the look, offering a calm, stylish retreat that feels both modern and inviting. Step into serenity with a minimalist indoor water feature surrounded by lush ferns and peace lilies. Soft lighting enhances the gentle sound of water, creating a meditative ambience. Natural tones and uncluttered design turn this space into a true sanctuary, a place to unwind, reflect, and reconnect with nature. Which minimalist garden idea was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more inspiring garden ideas. And if you know someone who loves plants as much as you do, share this video with them. Let's spread the green love.